Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go to the beach hut. I'm going to be doing some decorating and just generally making it feel homely and cute. We have done a few bits, but I need to do some more bits today. The weather doesn't look great, to be honest, but that's fine because there's a roof over my head. It's okay. And I'm just going to be decorating. I'm going to take you along with me. And yeah, I've just sprayed my favourite perfume ever at the moment. It's the Ariana Grande Pink Cloud. Obsessed with this. I am so glad it's huge because I'm using it every single day and I absolutely love it. I don't actually know if I've mentioned this already on my YouTube channel because I don't know which order I'm going to be posting these videos in, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing the last few months. I'm very excited. So let's go to the beach hut. I will show you my outfit. I've got this little top on, which again was another one that I got for France. Very cute. And then I have got my decorating leggings on, which I'm going to need today. I actually ruined this pair of leggings last time I was there painting. So now these are my painting leggings as opposed to my everyday leggings. But I did actually get some more, so it's okay. But yeah, these have paint all over them. Let's go. Hello everyone, I'm at the beach hut now. I'm going to show you a little bit around just so you can see what kind of thing I'm working with. It has had one layer of white paint. It still has got a little bit of a cream tint to it and I want to make it all fully white. So that's what I'm going to do today and see what else I can manage. I'm going to finish painting the rest of the inside white and I will do a little time lapse. I haven't done one of those before, but I think it might look quite cool. And we've done one layer and then I need to just do another layer, I'm pretty sure. I'll show you around what I've got so far. So I've painted white one layer and I have to do the ceiling as well. I have actually laid some floor down. I did pick it up from B&Q. It's very cute, but I do have to cut it properly and then I'm going to roll it up again today just because I don't want to get paint on it or anything. I have some holes that I need to fill in with wood filler. I've got my step ladders there and that's what it's looking like so far. So today I'm going to be painting the rest of it white. It was all of this kind of cream colour that the roof still is, and I am going to be popping just white everywhere so it's nice and crisp looking and bright in here. The weather's beautiful. It looks so sunny outside and I love the fact you can see the sea. It's the best thing ever. This is also my tiny dustpan and brush. How cute. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to do a little time lapse and just show you some painting and then we'll catch up after. And that's the view out of the doors. How beautiful is that? I can't cope. In case you're wondering what kind of paint I've used, it is from B&Q. It's the garden paint and it's in the shade chalk white. I felt that this one had the best durability because this is by the beach and literally on the sea. It's going to get a lot of weather bashing, that is just a fact. So I wanted to get some good paint. The chalk white one from this brand, Rust-Oleum, I think that's what it's called. It is just a really crisp white and yeah, I think it's really bright in here. So I'm going to get on with painting. I have got 3 sizes of brushes. I did use these for the outside as well. I can hear the seagulls. I love that. Is that a whale? No. Anyway, I have used 3, there's a spider on the back of that. I have used 3 of these brushes previously doing the rest of it and I didn't wash them like a silly person. So I'm going to wash these now. No, not now, when I've used them. I'm just so excited. I need to do some wood filler first because that's the priority and then I'm going to get on to the paint. I've finished with the wood filler now. I've actually run out of this. This is the one that I used and I picked up this yellow contraption. I picked yellow because I feel like this place is my sunshine. So I wanted to have that, but I can't for the life of me work out how to get this out. Like nothing moves, so I'm gonna have to wait for somebody to help me with that. But I've run out of the wood filler today anyway. I feel like it's a good job, it's a good start. I'm gonna let that dry and carry on with some paint. I am actually gonna tie my hair up for this because I need to concentrate. So I'm gonna be doing some more paint on the inside today. I think I am gonna start with that because I want to make it homely in here. And I'm just really excited. So yeah, I'm gonna add loads of pink, obviously. I can just literally see the sea. How incredible. I can't. Honestly, the amount of times I've cried with happiness here is a joke. I love the sound of seagulls as well. How amazing. So anyway, I can't stop staring at the sea. Literally, this is the best feeling of calm I've ever had in my life, being here. Literally everything. So anyway, I'm going to be getting on with paint. I'm going to continue to paint the rest white. I feel like that plat's taken ages. My hair's very long now. I'm just going to have fun with it. I do need to stick the floor down today. Basically, I haven't told my friend about this. Yeah, so I'm going to be surprising him. He doesn't know, so by the time you watch this, he will know. And we're just coming for the day out and I'm going to be like, yeah, got a beach hut. Do you want to see it? So I'm really trying to get it all homely and nice. Obviously it'll take time. I'm not expecting to do it in like a month or so. I'm expected to do it over the years. This is a beach hut for life, and I will just keep it in my family now. I got a very rare opportunity and I'm going to keep hold of it. So yeah, I'm excited. Definitely going to put my stamp on it, my personality. This plait is going on forever. And yeah, I feel like I'm at my best potential when I have plaits in, because I can just not flick my hair out of the way all the time. I can concentrate on painting. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my white paint and crack on. Eventually I will have furniture in here, sort of beachy furniture anyway, and I've got a couple of deck chairs which will be useful. I've got a little floor cushion which I'll probably show you today, but yeah, need to get on with the paint. I am going to start with the back wall again, and then I'm going to try and move on to the sides. Just a little update, I've nearly finished that pot of paint. I need a rest, my hand's got cramp. I've just painted the back for the most part, and I've painted some of the roof too. I do have some bits that I have actually missed, so I do need to get on with that once I've had a little break, but I'm very happy with the progress. I have rolled the floor back slightly because I still need to stick this down. I'm going to do that today. But yeah, I'm very happy with the way the paint's looking. It's brightening it up perfectly. I have actually got paint all over my fresh nails, so that's good. Oops. Literally, it's so calming to be on the sea. Not on the sea, but you know what I mean, on the edge of the coast where the beach is. It's amazing, and I'm really just happy with today. So if you want to see more beach content, then please do subscribe, it would be amazing. And yeah, just look at that view. I literally had 10 minutes sat down looking at the sea, and I could wish for nothing more. So now I'm going to get on. At the moment there are these hooks everywhere in here. I am going to take some down, but these are actually quite useful. I've just got my little jacket on there, and then I've got my bag. I'm actually going to move these because I need to paint this area now, and then I'm going to lay the floor. I'm not sure if you can actually see the colour difference here. This is the cream kind of yellowy colour that it was everywhere, and that's the white colour. I'm hoping you can see it on camera. I can't actually see from the viewfinder, but there's a line down the middle there, so that's the yellowy cream side, and then that's the painted white side. Definitely think it's brightening up everywhere. I'm really happy with the paint today. I have managed to empty one tub, which is great, and the roof is almost totally white, which I'm very happy with. There are a couple of bits that I'm going to fill in, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to focus on the floor for now. But yeah, really happy with the white, and I think it really does make it look more spacious, so I'm very happy about it. There's a couple of bits up here which I need to get to. I am going to wait till somebody's with me in case I fall off, but you know, happy with what we've done today, and I'm really liking the white, to be honest. There is going to be some pink accents, obviously, because I'm me, but yeah, white is a good base. I have got paint all over me. It's kind of dry now. What I need to do is, I've got some floor paste, which is what's going to enable me to stick the floor, to the base of the beach hut, and I'm going to try this now. I was thinking I was going to wait till somebody was with me, but I just want to get it down. Whether we regret that decision, I don't know, but I'm going to try my absolute best. I wasn't joking when I said I've got paint over literally everything. It's all over my phone, it's all over my camera. I really hope it comes off. Anyway, this is the floor. It has got some footprints on it now, which is not cute, but I will give it a good clean once it's laid down properly. So when we cut it, we did copy the previous floor. This is the base of the beach hut. It's very solid. very good base, and I went to B&Q. I wanted as white as possible, the floor, so I went with this really light white kind of grey colour. It's vinyl and it should last for years, and because it's kind of near the outside and we're going to be having sort of beachy feet in here, I want it to be quite hard wearing, and I think this will be. So yeah, let's lay it down. That is the floor laid down. If there's any floor layers watching this, please turn this off because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm literally just winging it. So that's the floor laid down. I'm going to use my pink tools to cut the rest of it. Hopefully I do this well. We will find out. That's what it looks like far back. Hopefully I don't ruin it. So I've done the floor. I never claimed to be a DIY goddess. I literally think I'm gonna have to pay someone to do it all over again. It does not look good. This is not my best work. I'm not gonna glue it down. I'm just gonna leave it. I am gonna show you because I've got no shame here. Gorgeous. So this, I did try my best. I mean, I don't know what happened down there. It looks like I used a hedge trimmer or something. Oh dear, what a waste of floor. I mean, I could probably, I don't know, how could I ever get away with that? But this side looks fine, and you know why? Because that's the bit I didn't cut. It's all fun and games. So what I'm going to do is not stick it down because I don't believe that this is my best work, and I'm going to contemplate it. I'm going to show a couple of people and just ask if they think I should get someone to come down and do it properly, which, I mean, judging by that corner, maybe I could hide it. Maybe I could hide that with some furniture, which I intend to do, but yeah, it didn't go to plan. I mean, to be fair, the idea is to put some furniture or a little sofa or something there so it faces out to the sea. So maybe I could get away with this, whatever this is. I don't know. Please don't leave your opinions. I know it's awful. These are things I'll look back on though and laugh at, hopefully, and just be proud I at least tried myself. So yeah, that's the floor. Whether it'll stay like that, I don't know. Might completely change when it's done by someone else. Just having a little sit down now. I am thinking it's not actually that bad. You know, when you're not just looking down at the edges, it's not totally awful. So I will ask opinions from my friends when they come down and just see, because I don't want to waste my hard work if it's actually okay. It's not great. If I had paid somebody to do this and I saw this, I'd be like, oh. But because I've done it myself, maybe it's cute. I don't know. It's not cute at all. I've also got paint all over the leggings now. These were just a little bit of a DIY disaster previously, and now they're practically white. I've got it all over my hands, all over my nails, all over my phone down there. The muff for my Canon has actually got paint in it as well, so I'm hopefully going to try and clean that, or I might just pluck some hairs out of it. But I didn't actually stick the floor down. That's the floor sticky thing up there. Gonna leave that, and I'm going to tidy up some little bits, and I'm going to show you my floor cushion. I actually love this little dustpan and brush. I thought it was so summery and beachy. I can't remember which shop it was from, but it's so cute. I'm just gonna hang it on there. No, I'm not. That looks ugly. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna get rid of these hooks. I don't know why there's so many hooks in this place. I definitely don't need that many hooks, but it's fine for now. And yeah, that's the end of that. I do also have this tiny little flip-flop, which is so cute. The previous owner actually left this, and I thought it was sweet. Might paint it pink, but it's got the temperature on it, which is about 22 degrees it says, so I'll hang that one up there. I have also got this hanging heart. I have had this years. It used to hang up in my old flat, and I'm just going to hang that here for now just to make it look cute, but we're definitely going to be doing some DIY pinky bits in here, making it homely. This was just the initial painting video, which I'm sure there'll be more painting videos, to be honest. This is not going to happen quickly. I also have these rose string lights. I do actually have some of these at home as well, and I wanted to bring some for here. I think the pink with the white will look so cute. I'm not sure if I mentioned this toolkit before. I did film it in a vlog, I think, at some point, but I don't know if I uploaded it. So this is a little toolkit that I got from Amazon. I knew I was going to need this when I bought the beach hut, and it's all basically pink stuff, which is what I've used to do everything in here. I was thinking I probably should have used that to use an edge for the floor, but it's too late now anyway. But it's got tape measure, it's got all sorts in here, really useful, and this has got loads of little bits for it. So the screwdriver, which is nice, got loads of different ends, and yeah, very useful kit. So this was actually on Amazon, and I've already got paint on it, but very useful if you like pink and DIY. When I actually got the keys, I did bring some cleaning supplies. I cleaned all the walls, the floor, everything. I used this method, I think it's lavender scented cleaning spray. It smells so nice. And then I did get these, but these are just too rough for anything. Loads of paint. So I'll probably just take those home with me or leave these. I am going to get a trunk or something just to put some cleaning things in here. And then these were some sponges. These are actually wet. I don't know how that's a thing, but they actually feel wet. Are these real sponge? I've no idea, but anyway, they were very useful for cleaning. And then I did use one of these in its entirety to clean the walls, which was very useful actually, and not too harsh on the wood. I do actually have another one of the wood fillers when somebody helps me get the other one out of that contraption. And I do have another full tub of paint ready to do more on the inside when I've got some energy, but at the moment I'm really happy with the way it is. I'm gonna let the wood filler dry over there and then paint over it eventually. This is the floor pillow that I've got. It is a garden floor pillow. It's very squishy and it's quite big actually. This is a beautiful pastel colour. I can't remember where I got it from exactly, but I'm going to keep it the packaging for now until I've sorted all the other bits and bobs out so it doesn't get paint on it. But yeah, really cute. I actually think I'm going to put these rose string lights up now. I'm going to show you where I think I want them. This bar here, I don't think I'm going to keep this for very long unless I can find a use for it. But I mean, some people with beach huts, they put curtains across here, but I think I'm just gonna for now string the roses around it because I think that looks so cute. If you see paint marks on the floor as well, do not worry, I will be cleaning it. But these are the rose string lights, so cute. I am so glad I did not try and film unrolling these. No joke, it's about 5 minutes since the last clip. I have no idea how to get these out of a ball. I mean, are they, definitely says string light, but this is a full-on ball of roses. I just want it to be stringy. I have got it in string form now, so I'm going to try and loop this around that pole. I had a change of tactic. I've put some little pins in there. I didn't put them too deep into the wood, just lightly, and I've wrapped the rose string around it, which I think looks really cute, so I'm very happy with it. I nearly forgot about this. I picked this up specifically for this beach hut, so I am going to hang this somewhere really cute. I'm thinking maybe there, maybe above the rose string is a bit much. But can we ever have too much pink? I'm probably going to put that there. The sun is fully out now. It's beautiful. I don't know, is that too much? Would that be too much? I mean, that's me all over, isn't it, that? Shall I try sticking it there and we'll see? I actually love that. That's so pink. Because there's bright light from the other side, it doesn't really light this well, but I'll try sort it in editing. There's so much pink now. I love it. We need more pink. That's it with both the doors open. I actually really love that. I think it's going to stay. That's me finished with decorating for today. I do feel really good with that. I've just met another neighbour, a beach hut neighbour. That's so cute. They all seem really friendly, and yeah, I feel good about today. I can hear the seagulls, which is cute. I am going to go for a walk down the beach and just chill for a bit, to be honest. And yeah, it's really actually quite hot today. I am very happy with what I've done. Obviously, I always wish I'd done more. I always want to finish things on the first day or really quickly, but I know that's not going to happen. This is a process and I'm going to enjoy it. So yeah, if you want to see more on the beach hut progress, please subscribe because I will be uploading more videos on this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like makeup, beauty and now beach huts, then if you want to subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, just thank you for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy the beach now. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.